This is Rebecca with Digital Thinker. In this video, I am going to introduce you to held items in EAM. If you have been using EAM for a while, you may have come across the Direct to Work Order default checkbox on the store screen. In EAM, a direct purchase is a part procured specifically for a work order activity. When these parts are received, they can be issued directly to the work order or received into the store as held items. If the parts are received as held items, they are associated with a bin designated for held items. Let's walk through a scenario. The team is planning for a line changeover next month. As parts are received, I can designate whether to receive the parts directly to the work order or as held items in the store. To receive as held items, you'll want to make sure that the Direct to Work Order checkbox is unchecked and populate the bin. As you can see, since this is a direct purchase, the lookup is filtered to only show bins for held items. Now, there is an organization option called Held Bins that controls whether the bin field is protected, required, or optional, as it is in this environment. I'm going to proceed with receiving these parts into the store as held items. This functionality is also available for non-PO receipts. If you are not familiar with non-PO receipts, check out the video titled Processing Non-PO Receipts. On my screen, you can see an example where I populated the work order activity and designated the bin for held items. Now that the materials have been received as held items, how will I issue the parts to the work order next month when the changeover takes place? I can easily issue the held items to the work order activity from the Issue Return Parts screen. After entering the header details, click the Actions drop-down and select Held Items. This will retrieve the direct purchases for the work order that were received as held items, allowing you to issue the materials in one transaction. EAM offers additional functionality for managing held items, such as transferring held items and creating packages. If you would like to learn more, leave a comment below and we'll create a video on held items management. Thanks for watching.